After a lot of research, I finally got string of pearls. My string of pearls is potted in these deep pots. We need to switch to something more shallow. I got this super cute stone pot at Callaway's, so I'm gonna pot my string of pearls in this. I filled the pot all the way to the top, and now I'm gonna start planting. Use your fingers to make a little opening. A lot of my string of pearls were jumbled together, so I did separate a lot of them to imitate a string. Make sure you pat the soil nice and tight around the root. Actually, a really cool fact about string of pearls is it has this line, a translucent line on the pearl itself to allow light in for photosynthesis. I'm going back and forth on one method. One method is you can just put the pearls into the soil and it'll propagate. Another method is taking off this layer of pearls and just rooting it in the soil. I'm going to start with this way and see how it goes. Then I'll show you, put this portion down, and I will do an updated progress video and tell you if the pearl propagated or not. If any of y'all were intimidated at how thin your string of pearls is and you don't know where to start as far as repotting goes, I have you covered. And here's the finished product. Thanks for watching.